Someone asked me if the cockroaches were out again. Well, the cockroaches are always there. You might not see them. Sometimes you do see them when they run to sell the market, but we know the cockroaches have been around for hundreds of millions of years, the stock market cockroaches, and they'll never go away. They're always going to be here. You might not see them sometimes. Sometimes you will see them when they jump out to sell the market. So maybe they're out a little bit. For sure the zombies are out. We know the zombies are out, and they sell really for no rational reason. They don't have a clear understanding of the macro economy. In fact, they have everything backwards. They have everything backwards as zombies. We are the only living humans. Remember, I used to call the zombies the 100%, but I call them the zombies now because that's how they behave. They behave in zombie-like fashion. And we, the intelligent, strong, savvy, living humans, we go out, we kill the zombies. But there's a lot of them. There are a lot of them, and there are very, very few of us. But they're selling the market because they're afraid of an interest rate hike. They're afraid of what Janet Yellen might say. That's another thing about the zombies, is that, you know, they operate from a standpoint of fear and insecurity. Fear and insecurity. And their actions are just reflexive. They don't think. Zombies don't have brains. Okay, they don't think. Their brains, either they never had any or they were wiped out in some radiation burst. So they don't have brains. They just act and behave reflexively, and what they do is always wrong. That's why it's easy for us, the living humans, to take the money of the zombies. Okay, so they're selling because they're afraid of an interest rate hike. They don't understand interest rates and the macroeconomy. I just explained it. And that's just one example. I mean, they sell the market for whatever reason. They do other things for whatever reason. You know, the Brexit, that was all zombie behavior. We killed them. We slaughtered them in the Brexit. I was the only one. You know, I actually saw an article today saying, you know, I think it was on Schwab. Yeah, I have a Schwab account for my stocks, and Schwab was proclaiming, you see, the Brexit was nothing after all. They're saying it now. What? It's like 2 months later. The Brexit was nothing after all. I was saying it before. I was saying it at the time. We were down 600 points. I said, get in there and buy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So anyway, the zombies were out. The cockroaches were out a little bit. Tomorrow, if we get Yellen saying something, oh, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Listen, I'm already working on the new issue of MMT Trader, which of course you know comes out on Mondays. But in my research tonight, going over some data from the weekly, the Fed releases its H41 report, that's factors affecting reserve balances. I found something very, very interesting, which is maybe a tip-off as to what the Fed is going to do on September 21st. Now listen, I just sent out an email to all MMT Trader subscribers showing you what I found. Take a look at it. Nobody else has this. By the way, for those of you who are not MMT subscribers, if you want to get this email, I'll send it to you. Just sign up for a 30-day free trial. You don't have to pay anything. 30-day free trial. Go to www.pitbulleconomics.com and sign up for a 30-day free trial. When you go to www.pitbulleconomics.com, click on the tab that says products, and I will send you this email. I found something very, very interesting. I want you all to look at it. I just sent it out. Check it out. It's really, really interesting, and it may be a tip-off. It may be a clue as to what the Fed is going to do at the next meeting. Go check it out. Bye.